Good morning, YouTube. Out for another little stroll around the Essex countryside today. Believe it or not, it's really windy, but luckily I've found a rather less windy bit here. But yeah, the sun's out, so it's time to get out and get some fresh air. Yeah, so I'm going to try I've got a new wood burning stove called a Biolite 2, I think it's called. It's basically the next one up from the original Biolite. So yeah, I'm going to give that a go, have a brew up, sling my hammock up for a little sit down. I'll probably do that at the end of the walk. This is I think it's only about a 4-mile walk, but yeah, so I thought I'd bring you along and enjoy the sunshine with me. Beautiful. Right. Another thing, when these planky bridgey type things are wet, they are damn slippery. Trust me, I know from previous experience, because we went arse over tit on one, and no, not too impressed with that. So gently does it over these. I'll bring you back when there's something interesting going on, rather than a ploughed field. So much of a difference when the sun's out. Alright, yeah, it is cold, it is windy, but the sun's out, so it makes a lot of difference. How's it going? Wrapped up. Beautiful, like I say, the sun's out and makes all the difference, you know. Love it. No good at looking into these things, that's why I very, very rarely record myself, but I'll give you a cheeky glimpse of my ugly mug. Right, anyway, less of that, more walking. I've actually missed my turn. Didn't even see a footpath on, to be honest with you, but oh well. If I follow this down here, I can rejoin it. All good fun. Got to love them like I do. Well, that's the church, which I thought had been renovated into a house or a barn kind of thing, but I'm not so sure now. Still got graves and what have you, but it's a church, but it's been modernised as such. Who knows? Who knows? Yeah, if anyone's from Essex, knows Patterswick, or this church, is it still a church? Or is that house now renovated? Look forward to finding out if anyone knows. So we've got to go right up beside this church now, so. It's got a driveway, so it's got to be someone's else, and a bin. Still not 100% sure. Find a nice little spot. There's a little woodland just right near the end of the walk, so hopefully I might be able to get in there, throw my hammock up and test my new stove out. It's I've mentioned before, it's a Biolite 2, not cheap by any stretch of the imagination, but it is basically, you know, you can burn twigs, you know, just stuff you find in the woods. But it's also got a built-in like a LiPo battery, lithium battery, and you can charge your devices, you know, like your mobile phones, GPS, tablets. Yeah, so as you're putting wood in, you know, as the fire's getting stronger and hotter, it's charging the internal battery, so you've always got something to charge your phone with. Like, it's pretty cool. Like I said, it's not cheap. I paid about 115 quid for mine. Basically, I've used it a couple of times at home with kitty litter, you know, just like the wood pellets. Oh, and it's amazing. Need about 3 or 4 handfuls of that. Light it up with a fire lighter at the top, and it'll burn basically good 35-40 minutes, just a constant speed, you know. And it's got a fan. It's got like 4 different speeds. You've got like 4 obviously for boiling, and then you've got 1 for simmering, 2 and 3 in between sort of thing. But yeah, it's a good bit of kit. I did try it the other day with some wood in, just broken twigs and whatever, yeah. But because obviously it's been raining so much, everything was damp. It was a bit of a bugger to get going. I did boil my water and I did have a brew, so it wasn't a complete abortion, but it was hard work. But I mean, during the summer, you know, summer months, and when it's dry, it'd be brilliant with just twigs. But yeah, I've got kitty litter with me today, so no problems. But yeah, look forward to a coffee. Hanging out my arse. How about that for some mention? Up, that's the Biolite 2. Over there, look, you've got the middle one's your fan. Obviously it's not on yet, but the left one is the intensity of your fire, and the one on the right is how much battery, how much power is stored in the internal battery. But I'll get it fired up. Get up. That's the inside. And that little metal thing you see coming out of there, that's what heats up and generates. I'm not quite sure how it works, but it generates the heat to power up, charge up the battery. But I've got kitty litter in there, and just an old barbecue fire lighter to get it going. So bring it back when it's on the go. Well, I've just lit the barbecue lighter block thing, and as you can see, the blue light in the middle means I've got the first fan speed on. The green on the right means how much charge is in the internal battery, which at the moment is fully charged. And the one on the left, the orange one, is how much heat. That's just gone up one there, so that's how much heat the Biolite's kicking out. It goes all up to the top. But if I now change the fan over, kick it up to 2, you'll see there's a fan. It kicks up a fan that whirls the, as you can see there. I'm not quite sure how it works, but it's bloody good. But yeah, so kitty litter's good. Time to put the brew on. Just So I just slung my day hammock up. Got one of them little windscreen, bought one of them windscreen aluminium backed bloody things. And I'll tell you what, you notice the difference when you sit on that. You know, I just hung it to there. And there's the old Biolite going a treat. That aluminium thing I put on the top, you can see, just in case, because sometimes the flames sort of go over the actual orange element. So I've just put that on top to stop the casing getting melted. But yeah, brew time. Can't beat it. Just coming to a steam. Not been on there long either. About probably 3 minutes. I've only got on the second fan. You can see there. Goes up to 4 like I said, but I can't see the point. You know, it'll boil. It'll boil on 2, it'll probably boil on 1, but it'll just be slower. But yeah, I'll say that kitty litter, it's just like wood pellets. Lasts forever. Especially if you've got it on the lowest fan setting. Boys and their toys, eh? Gotta love it. This is actually not a bad little spot, to be fair. Right, for a bit of a day camp. Come out, have a little brew. Yes. Very nice. Right, we're boiling now. Just put the fan up onto the 3rd setting. As you can see on there, you can see the intensity on the fire is the orange lights on the far left. So we've got a good strong fire there. Right, I'm ready. Ready to have my tea and my coffee for the same. So, anyway guys, that'll probably be it for now. Thanks for watching. Probably going to be a bit of a long-winded one this, but anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Also, thanks for watching. Any comments, leave them down below. Yeah, anyway, catch you on the next one. See you later. Bye.